Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Google Maps voice not working on iPhone. Google Maps voice on iPhone is exceptionally handy tool that can assist you when you need to find a particular route which is totally new to you. With that said, some users have complained that their Google Maps voice not working due to some unknown reasons. It is needless to mention how annoying and frustrating when it is not working. But in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is enable voice navigation in Google Maps. The simplest fix to address this issue is enabling voice navigation in Google Maps. For this, open Google Maps on your iOS device. After starting the navigation, you will see sound option top right corner of the screen. Tap to enable voice. And you are done. And the next step is check Bluetooth connection. If your iPhone is paired with a car speaker and you are away from the car, you cannot hear voice assistance. For this, go to settings and select Bluetooth option. So you can see currently paired devices. Just disconnect the Bluetooth connection so Google Maps will start to use iPhone voice, and you are done. And the next step is check your iPhone volume level. Sometimes you may not be able to hear Google Maps voice because the volume is down to the minimum. To fix this, you can easily press the volume up button, then increase the audio level. And you are done. I hope this solution will fix the issue of Google Map voice not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.